Hey guys, this is Vagabond Spray Mansion Sunny. Nice to see you again. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint CITY SKYLINES. I guess you've seen this, right? Especially many people in New York do this. Finally, advanced level. Well done. I put this at advanced level for some reason. It's very hard, but it's really amazing and super magical technique. If you master this, you'll go to another world of spray painting. Okay? Ready? Steady? Follow me. Okay, today I'm gonna use simple colors, but making mysterious looking. Okay? So white, black, transparent, clear coat, as usual, and purple, blue, and light blue. Okay? And for planet, we're gonna use the big one. I mean, we use usually, and the smaller one. This is from Pringles, you know, the cap of that. So if you just eat it and paint it, okay. And a scraper, you need this one. This is really necessary to make buildings, okay. And paper for shooting star. And ruler. Okay, that's all. Alright, let's begin. So one smaller one over here. Yeah, maybe one here, and one at the corner. Maybe this big. Okay. From this one, smaller one. Okay, blue and purple. Black and white as usual. Okay, and give some texture. So we're gonna have a big light over here. So this side is light, this side is shadow. Okay. This for this one, on the tip, on the edge, white a little bit, and light blue and blue, and make gradation, and some black, and give some texture. Okay, this, so light on here and shallow on here. Okay, and cover. So we're gonna give some colors for buildings. Then the like how it's looking depends on how you paint basic colors. So to make to show you, I will separate the way to paint on. Okay. So on the right half, blue and purple, like this. On the left side, left half, from purple to blue, gradation, like this. Okay, and cover all black. Okay, so we're gonna have some mysterious looking galaxy or nebula or something like that. So take purple, spray a bit around here, and blue, make gradation, and light blue a little bit, maybe some more blue, and white, like this. So as you go inside, the area you can spray gets smaller, so just be careful of spraying too much, okay? Maybe some purple and light blue. Okay, and give some shooting stars as usual. Right, so you've done for background. So now we're gonna give some buildings. Okay, take scraper and you just slide it, put and slide. Okay, so that this way and this way. I don't know how should I say in English. Slide this way and this way, and you have some three-dimensional buildings. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like Tokyo, Shinjuku or something like that. I hope you know if you have been there. So this is Shinjuku City Hall. And some buildings around Shinjuku Station. Okay, something like this. Oh, basically, as you know, spray painting is mysterious, right? So you can just create as you want, like some more futuristic buildings, anything. Okay, something like this. So now I'm gonna add some bridge. So like almost half of these buildings, like around here, two lines, one thick one, one thinner one. Okay, one thick, one thin, just like this. Then we're gonna add some middle size of buildings. So if the surface is dry, you can just add some clear to make re-wet. Okay, maybe middle size. So just take scraper and go upside down at random like this. Then some smaller ones, maybe from here, but don't hide this bridge, okay, as we did right now. Right, so now we're gonna have bridge, road. There's one here. Make a line and some rope over here. Okay, and add some wires. Right, it's done. Then take a ruler and put on the bottom. I'm gonna have water. So maybe if you have seen some artists do like maybe something like this, but I prefer having reflection of this planet. So it's up to you. If you want, if you like this way, you can just do this way. So you can just play with this. So I just prefer having reflection from the planet. So blue and purple for this planet, blue and light blue for this planet. Yeah, a reflection of this background, some light blue and white. If you have blue additional over here, it's kind of mixed together, so just stop until here. Only light blue. Okay, and slide your fingers. Maybe some more blue over here, and this one too. Okay, more realistic water surface looking, right? And take off the planets and give some big light over here. And shooting star for the spice. Okay, 1, 2 over here. And sign your name. That's it. It's done. How is it looking? Clarity? It's okay. So like scratching is kind of hard. You need practice. But if you do this, you have nice artwork. Okay. Alright, that's all for today. Alright, how was it? Was it easy? I can't say easy this time. It took me 3 months to become okay level to show people, not this level. It's very hard though. I hope you master this and hope you feel joy of spray painting. One tip this time is how to use clear foam. When it's too dry, it's hard to scratch. So make sure if it's not too dry and not too wet to make it fit. Okay? Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe this channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming and you can see the newest techniques or expressions that I only show on live streaming. So if you subscribe this channel, you'll get notifications, you won't miss it and don't miss it. Okay? And also my Instagram and Twitter accounts are below. Follow me and you'll see my other amazing works. Okay, thanks again and see you definitely in the next video. Bye.